Welcome back to another session. In this session I'm going to explain you about fragments. Okay, what is a fragment? Fragment is nothing but a reusable component, or you can call it as a repeated elements making as a group or make as a subform, and that subform make it as a different form, so then wherever you want to use that subform or a fragment, you can include that fragment to the XTP or your form. That is the purpose of fragments. Suppose you take example, if you are applying the loan, there are a number of times they may ask for their address, right? So if you don't have any this concept, fragment concept, what you have to do, suppose in first page we have address, and fourth page also we have address fields, and even last page also address field, right? So all three pages we have to write the same code and the same designing. Address, first name, door number, street, city, country, all the same thing you have to enter, right? So this is a repeated code. So to avoid these things, in Adobe Designer we have concept is called as a fragment. By using fragments we can reduce the redundant code on design as well. So I will show you how to create the fragment in designer. So once we create this fragment, we can use anywhere in our applications, same application or same form or a different form, wherever you want you can use the same fragment. Okay, see again ABCD application form. Okay, I'm just deleting all the unnecessary fields, okay, like address field. I'm reordering and I'm deleting unnecessary fields, okay, button, all these things I'm removing. Okay, I'm creating one more page. Okay, so you can see in the navigation page 2 also created. I'm just creating the new page and I copied the same stuff from there to here. Okay, now I'm removing the address box. Okay, see, and I removed and I'm replacing with different form fields. Okay, like I'm placing the 5 or 6 text fields for each text field, for one for door number, one for the address 1, address 2, and country, city, pin code. So like that I'm creating the 6 text fields. I'm placing text field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in the page 1. I'm placing the fourth one, text field 4, next text field 5, and last text field 6. Enough. And I'm just renaming the caption. So instead of text field I'm just giving the captions. See, I created 6 text field, and I'm making as some grouping this all 6 to one subform. We're happy to subform. I'm giving as a fragment subform. Let's say SF. Okay. In the fragment subform, I have 6 text field, and I'm changing the labels. Door number, and next what is their address one, and next address 2, and fourth one, let's say pin code or postal code. Okay, and next one email, and last one okay mobile or phone. And I forgot to place one text. Okay, I will place one text also. Label, I'm just drag this and place into fragment SF. Now it's comes under fragment SF. Okay, now I'm giving this as an address. Text should be address. Okay. See, I want to same this thing in the different page or different form. What we have to do is, generally we can copy, right? These things you can alignment of your text, beautification of your label, size, and font type. I want to change it to a different font. Okay, OCA. Okay, and bold. Okay. Suppose if you want to same set of elements in the different page or form, what you have to do is just copy, and you have to paste into the same thing, right? What happened, it will be again structure will be create, same structure will be create. I'm just try a copy, Control C, and this button. Okay, leave it, no need of this button. Okay, let it be. Okay, no need of this button, and just delete it. So now what I'm doing in the page number 2, I'm copy and paste the same thing into the page number 2. Just click Control C. See, this is the location, right? I'm just copied already, so I'm just copying from there, and in the page 2, paste. You can see the both in page 1. 1 second. I think it's moved. I think instead of copy it's moved. Okay, I paste it. See, page 2. I'm renaming to the page 2 as a page 2. See, what I did is, without making any changes, I copied from there to here. So here I'm just changing the company address. There I'm giving as a like, let's say, client or customer address. client address. Okay, see, this is not a good practice, because just for one label name is different and the rest of things remain same, right? So because of this, load will be more on the form. While loading the form, all 6 elements, and these 6 elements, totally 12 elements should be load. It will take time and will be performance will be impact. So right, so that's why we can go with the fragments concept. So in the fragments concept, we can create only once and just give the reference into the wherever you want. You can just give the reference over there. That's it. Okay, now I'm just deleting in the page 2. Now see, in the form you have right, what I'm doing is right click on it, go to the fragments. There we have the option create fragment. You just click on the create fragment. It will ask for your fragment name and give some description. There are option fragment library location. You have to choose. File name is automatically pick whatever you give the file name, right? That name .xtp will be automatically shown in the file name. See, and you have to choose the library location where it wants to create your fragment. So in the drop down, you just click the library. It will show you your local disk location. You just choose the location and click OK. Okay. Create a new fragment in fragment library. These are the options. Create fragment in the current document. So no need, we are just going with the new library. Okay, I'm just selecting the documents. Under that we have fragments folder is there already, so I'm just selecting the fragments and click on OK. So there it will be created our library. In the bottom you can see the path, right? Now click on OK. See, the color will be changed. Purple color is appeared, right? It means it's a fragment. Place it, there is one flavor will be shown, and path, you can select the path, browse button, it will show you the where exactly the fragment is located. It will show. Okay, now simple. So wherever you want, you can just call that fragment, insert over here. In the page 2, you want the fragment, right? Right click, fragments, insert fragment, and you just give your fragment location. Give the fragment, select the fragment, click insert. That fragment will be inserted into our current page. See, just okay. It's created. I'm just moving up. Okay. See, in the both, you can just double click on it. It will go to your library and open your form in the designer. See, now I'm just changing one field. Like text client address is there, I just remove the client, so immediately it will be affected to the both locations that I will show you now. So now we understood, right, how to create the fragment. Right now, editing the fragment I will show you. So just double click on it, it will redirect to our XTP or our fragment form. I'm just remove this client. I'm just saving and then I'm close. Okay, now we'll go to our form, application form. See, without changing anything, automatically updated. because this pointing to the referencing address, right? So whatever it will be there, that will be take dynamically. Okay, that is the beauty of this fragments. See, address will be there. In the second page also same, right? Suppose you want to distinguish, then you can place the same, like one text field over there and give like a client information or customer information over here. Client information. Okay, I'm giving the client information here. In the bottom I'm just give the company information or contact company something. I'm just giving and changing it to bold and go to the paragraph, then you can select. So whatever options you like, then you can choose the values. So just to play around it so that we can get knowledge. Also here also I'm giving some company information. Let's say company information. Same thing, I can give the high width and height and whatever you want. You can use the same thing here also. I'm selecting the bold and text size, just giving, and that's it. So just go to the preview, you can see client information address, and the second page company information address. So by this we can reduce the redundancy. By seeing by seeing people will say like it's a double, 2 times you can return, but we will return only 1 time. So whenever you want, you can just insert the fragment. That's it. That is about the fragments. Okay, hope you can understand these fragments. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next session. Bye.